Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back to share a Pinterest inspired collaboration project that I do with my friend Misha at ScrapsanddThings1. Hi Misha, I'm going to post a link below this video so you can head on over, check her out, show her some YouTube love, subscribe to her channel, and get more inspiration. So the project we were supposed to do today was to decorate a gift bag or make your own gift bag, and it had to be anything you wanted, but it had to have a pinwheel on it. So the one that I saw that inspired me is this cute gift bag here, that big old pinwheel on it, and I just really loved the colors in this, so I decided I was gonna do mine in a spring theme as well, and also birthday. And the papers that I used came from, I have a sticker sheet here, came from the Hello Spring collection from Echo Park Papers. Okay, so I used the paper from that, and I made a bunch of pinwheels in different sizes, and I'll share with you how to make one really quick if you're not sure. And I have a little one here that I'll show you. Okay, but this is how my gift bag came out. I think it came out really cute. I actually find I love decorating gift bags. This was so much fun to do. So I had some pink and white gingham ribbon, and I just hung 2 strands here on the side and then made a bow here at the top. And then I used some yellow and white check paper. The bag itself measures about 4 by 5. So it's a nice small one. I'm actually going to be putting a gift card in here. But I fussy cut this rainbow. As you can see here, it was a full rainbow. And I cut it out from the paper collection, and then I cut it in half. And then the little cloud here you see, and this cloud came from this 3-die set that my mom gave me a while ago. Hey Mom, if you're watching, I love this set. So cute. So I just kind of die cut out, one of these little white clouds, and I glued it onto the cloud paper there, and then I inked it up with some of this distressed ink, and this is tumbled glass. And then I had a little birthday sentiment stamp in my collection, so happy B-Day. And then I used this little wheelbarrow with flowers in it from the collection, and then I used some green cardstock on the bottom, and then I cut off one of the strips with the flowers from the paper collection. And then the little things here, these are actually bamboo skewers. You can buy these in big packs at Walmart for like $1 or something, and I have a ton of them, but I just put them on behind my pinwheels, and then I used pink pearls in the centers. So this is my gift bag and with my pinwheels. And I'm going to share with you really quick. If you're not sure how to create a pinwheel, they're super simple. One thing that you want to remember is whatever size you make it equal parts. So if you're going to cut 1 inch going this way, you want 1 inch this way. So 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. If you want to go 4.5, make sure you go 4.5 on the other side. So it should be 4.5 all the way around. And basically what you're going to do, and I'm going to draw it on with a pencil so you can see what I'm going to do. You want to cut on a diagonal line, but you don't want to cut into the center. You want to leave your center alone. Okay. So I'm going to try and do this as best I can. And this center here, I'm going to draw a square or rectangle, whatever comes out looking like. You're going to leave this center alone, okay? So we're not going to cut in here at all, but we're going to follow these lines, and you're going to cut on this line. Do not cut into the center. This line, I didn't draw them straight, but I think I can cut a little bit better than that. Okay, so basically you should have a triangle piece here. Okay, one here, and one here, and you have a center. So you could see it on this side. Okay, so then what you're going to do is, I use a bamboo skewer. You can use whatever you're comfortable with. And you're going to take one point right here that we just cut, and you're going to roll it up, kind of curve it a little bit, because this tip here you're going to glue right there into the center. So you're basically taking this tip and folding it over, but you don't want to fold it flat because you want to be able to have that dimension that you see there, that little cone. You want to be able to have that. And then once you do that, I'm going to put a dab of glue on, fold it over and hold it for a minute. Now I'm going to flip it. Now we already have this panel done, so we're going to go to our next triangle and do the same thing. I'm going to fold this end up a little bit, kind of curl it to get it ready to go. Put some glue here, bend it down towards the center, and pinch. Okay, make sure you don't fold that flat. You want that dimension in there. Same thing, turn it, and then I kind of roll it up a little bit, put glue on the tip, and fold it down. And we have one more to work on. You're basically, when you fold this, you're following this straight line. You're folding it right up against itself on that straight line. That's all you're doing. Okay, glue that. And there you go, guys. We have our pinwheel, and you can use anything you want in the center. You can even make a smaller pinwheel, you know, put it on top. Kind of make like a double pinwheel if you want it to. On the pinwheels I did here, I put small pink pearls in the centers, but you can use whatever center you want. Buttons, like I said, smaller pinwheels, whatever you want. And then I just use my clippers, and depending on how high you want your bamboo skewer to go, I just cut a little piece off. And now this is a little sharp on the edge. You got these little pieces hanging off there. So I always keep a nail file around for my craft projects, and I just run that wood along the nail file to smooth it out so it doesn't splinter. And that's what I use that for. And then you could just hot glue it onto the back, and you got yourself a pinwheel. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have fun making your pinwheels. Take care. Happy crafting.